Didn't see you there. Oh, this? Yes, I did get a haircut recently. Thank you for noticing. So my hair is a bit shorter now, so I thought I'd do yet another Dark Academia hairstyles video, but this time suitable for shorter hair. And I find that when I want to do a Dark Academia style, I either go for a clean schoolgirl look or some meshy, loose curls. So basically Mia Thermopolis before or after her makeover. So today I curled my hair just to get some loose waves and some texture in my hair to make it easier to work with. But I think these hairstyles would also look good on straight hair too. So if you like these hairstyles, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's jump right into this. Okay, so first I want to do some low bun hairstyles. And if you watched my videos before, you know that I like to keep a little bit of hair at the sides of my face to frame my face, just so you don't look too much like a founding father. I actually cut some bangs as well, and I think they call these curtain bangs, but I like to call them butt crack bangs. So after that, I want to twist the rest of the hair all the way back to my head, or you can also braid it, but first I'm going to do the twisting. So I'm just going to gather this hair, twist it back, and keep adding as I twist. When you reach the end, I'm going to tie it off, and then I'm going to twist the other side back. And now I'm just going to gather that into a low bun as best as I can. And that's pretty much it. Super easy hairstyle. And here's the final look. You can also braid your hair back into a low bun, or if your hair is too short to reach the back, you can try 2 low buns instead. So we're going to do the face frame thing again because I'm trying to look like Disney princesses, not founding fathers. So first I tied a section in the back at the top of my head. Then take a section from the front and do a regular 3-strand braid. Tie that off with a small rubber band, then gently tug at the braid to poof it up and make her thick. Do the same for the other side, then bring both those sections to the back and tie those all together. And this look is pretty much complete. If you really want to go crazy, you can even do 2 braids on each side. And of course, you can always add a ribbon. So back in middle school, I used to love braiding my friend's hair, and I used to know how to do all sorts of different kinds of braids, like even a 5-strand braid, and now I don't remember shit. But I do remember how to do a waterfall twist, and I am back on my middle school bullshit here to show you how to do that. So you're going to take a pretty wide section of hair and split that into 2. Then twist it. Now you're going to take a chunk from the top, throw that over the top half and under the other half, and then you're going to twist again. You're going to keep repeating that so a section always comes through as you twist. So it ends up looking like this. You're going to keep doing that till you reach the back of your head. And when you reach the back of your head, just take a clip and pin it in place. And then go ahead and do the same on the other side. Once both sides reach the back, just tie them together. Now you have this beautiful waterfall braid all around your head, and you can add a ribbon, of course. There's so many variations of half updos you can do, or methods of braiding your bangs out of your face if you wish. So another thing you could try on short hair is some vintage styles. We'll see how this section goes because we all know what happened last time I tried to do a vintage style. But first I'm going to try to do this Edwardian style called the wrap and roll, which I found on Pinterest. This isn't fucking working, so I'm just gonna link the tutorial and hopefully you have better look. But the one vintage hairstyle I do know how to do that looks good on short hair is when you have your hair in rollers, or if you curled it like this, and I like to just brush it all down to the bottom section of the hair, or to get those vintage waves. So my hair wasn't working with me today, but it will usually end up like this, and I will link a tutorial in the description for this look as well. Finally, the last thing I want to talk about is accessories, because some of you may have even shorter hair than mine, and this is already shit to work with. So sometimes the best thing you can do is just accessorize with some dark academia accessories. So first off, I'm super into these snappy clips, which are super trendy right now, so if you want kind of a modern touch on dark academia, I think this works really well. So I like just pinning my bangs off to the side like that. So another thing you can do is a side part and then add some pins here. And I also like really nice barrettes. I think gold barrettes would work really well for the dark academia aesthetic. So I have this one from Amazon that you can use like so. But if you really want to go for the dark academia aesthetic, I would look for some vintage looking barrettes. And of course, headbands really fit the aesthetic well, so I have this really plain black leather headband that I actually DIY'd with some leather ribbon that I glued onto a headband, and that kind of fits the aesthetic. I just don't wear it much because it just blends in with my hair. Or I also like these velvet scrunch headbands, and again, I got this on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these hairstyles, and if you did, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the future, which hairstyles you want to try out, and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.